Okay, time to take a look at the Bung wrench. The first thing I'm noticing is a very nice clean finish on here. Like, this is almost a pleasure just to grab onto. We got a rear flathead for removing the small plugs, and then we have a universal adapter for grabbing onto those large plugs. And there's even a hex drive on the other side for grabbing onto hexes. I really like those finger grooves that they got in there too, so it just makes it feel a lot more secure in the hand. One of the nicer things about this one in particular is you can see how this is flat, but this is angled up. So that's going to help you out to make sure that you're not dragging your knuckles on top of those drums, especially if they're like beat up. So very good design choice. Yep, that works great.